Hello friends, welcome to Techie World channel. Today I will let you know how you can earn $500 for free. Okay, and just you need to follow me, and there is a link in the description. Just follow me and watch the video. And but we have a timeline here, like we need to have like 11 days and few hours to really grab this. Okay. So we have 11 days and few hours to grab this. So don't waste time. Hit the link in the description and join. I will show you the easy step how you need to do it. Okay. So what you need to do is you need to write like ask whatever the email address you have. Like so I have like ask joy b. Then I will put my email address here. Okay. And I will hit join. Okay. So when you hit join, then you need to put your like email ID and password here. Okay. And I will put my password. Okay, and I will hit sign up. Okay, so what it says is you need to confirm and you need to go back and check your email. There will be an email, there will be a link, so you need to click that. Okay, so I will go to my email address and click the link. Okay, so now you can see I got an email from them, UpCoin. So what I need to do is I need to click the link and it will land to a different page. Okay, so if I land to a different page, it will open like this, and it says please activate your account to qualify, close beta testing of UpCoin and get $500. Okay, I will hit the activate here. To activate the account, please take a survey. So it says you need to take a quick survey here, so we can click here start survey. Do you have any experience in trading crypto? So yes, we have. And supported language, yes, we support like English. And I will click OK here. And what language would you rather prefer to go to work with an exchange? I will go for English. Okay, and so there's about your experience. Okay, that's not required. So how long you have been trading crypto? So it's been like 3 to 12 months. I'm already doing the trading. So how many hours a day do you spend trading? It's 1 to 2 hours, not more than that. So what is the device you use? We use desktop, PC and laptop, even smartphone, right? So I don't know, we have opportunity to select multiple platform here. So I will select this, I will select this. Yeah, we use, even I use my tablet as well. So I'll click OK. And is the trading is your main occupation? No, it's not my main occupation. What is your average daily trading volume? So it is under $1,000, not much. So what exchange you are using? So right now I'm using Binance, Poloniex, and other I'm not using. I have few more, but I'm not using. These are the two which I'm using. I will click OK. And okay, so interface very convenient to easy. It's like yes, it is. And exchange has sufficient liquidity. Yeah, that has. Okay, overall speed and load time is 5. Okay, and exchange has security issues in the past. Not sure. I'm not sure about that. So exchange has no deposit and withdrawal limits. It is important actually, right? Okay, and customer support is slow and doesn't respond at all. It's average. Exchange support deposit and withdrawal in Visa, Mastercard. It's again yes. And exchange has working API. Yes. Okay. And abundant coin trading. Yes, it has. And exchange has translated into your native language. No. And have you ever switched another exchange because current exchange performed poorly? Yes. And exchange very slow and glitching at this time. Exchange does not have coins. I need coins. Like it's not like that. Interface is understood and understand and use. Okay, I'm just going through and try to finish up this. You can see it's 62% complete. So we need to go through all the questions here. And it had help and customer support service. Yeah, I cannot purchase crypto in fiat. So we need to go through each and every high trading. Okay, it's important that you should read and give a honest survey here. Complex interface, yes. Sufficient liquidity, yes. Slow speed, yes. Some of the exchanges are security issues, poor customer support, yes. Exchange not accepting visa, no. High trading fee is yes. And limited choice of trading, yes. Okay, it's enough trading. Okay, and what are the orders would you ideal exchange like uh, it's like stop and trading this and click OK. And digital asset and management, I will click yes, and I will hit send. So you can see that it's 100% complete now. So what I need to do is I need to hit send. Okay, almost there, and final step explained below. So what we need to do is we need to share this stuff. Okay, so what I will do is I will tweet this. Okay, and I will log in with my Twitter. You can follow this. Okay, and what else? And completion of activations. Okay, so you can see it says congratulations, you got $500. Okay, you have 500 in your trading account. This money will be used to cover your exchange fees. Once the exchange is open, you can start trading. So it is very good. You are getting $500, which will be in a balance, and when you do trading, this amount will be used as a trading fee. So it's not bad, guys, and you can see we have now $500 in our wallet. So what you need to do is I will give you a link, and once you once you click that particular link, it will support my channel as well. And if you click that, and you will follow this process, and you will get the, so hurry up, don't waste time, because there is a great opportunity where you can really earn a huge amount here, and I don't want you to miss out this opportunity. Okay, so see you, and thanks for watching. Share this as much you can, and if you like, just hit the like button. If you have any questions, write out in the comment, and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.